Hello guys, this is Firstbomb making another Minecraft Let's Play video, and welcome to another tutorial. And today the new skin pack just came out, which is the Minecraft birthday skin pack number 4. Oh yeah, number 4. Oh yeah, number 4 is a new birthday. Oh yeah, da na na, da na, do do, do do, da na na, da na, do do. So let's get started, guys. So tutorials about how to get these skin pack, and they are totally free. And you also get it in this week. You have, I think it's 4 days to get it. And if you don't get it in these 4 days, you can never get it until next year. So if you're new to Minecraft, or you got Minecraft this year or last year, and you have none of them, then this is your day. Because you could get the skin packs. The 4th birthday skin pack, the 3rd birthday skin pack, 2nd. This is English. So 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th for free. Which again, this is good. So all we have to do is you go to instead of play game, you go to your Minecraft store. After you go to your Minecraft store, because you skin pack, texture pack, master pack, so go to skin pack, and then all you have to do is just click on it, and then I can't click it. Well, if I click it, will you say you already purchased the skin pack? But when you click it, it will ask you confirm or cancel for both of them. And what you have to do is just click confirm instead of cancel. So guys, this will be the end of the tutorial here. Hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you in the next one. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Stay tuned. Bye.